Hello everybody, my name is Zora Kurji. I am Assistant Professor and Simulation Champion at Aga Khan University, Karachi, Pakistan. Center of Innovation in Medical Education inaugurated by our university in 2015, and recently we are accredited by Society of Simulation Healthcare, USA. After the inauguration of center, the group of faculty members, 4 nurses, pioneer from Pakistan, went for training on simulation from Center of Medical Innovation, Boston. Once the training was done, the group of faculty developed the curriculum around the simulation and nursing education at university. This year I got the chance to become a member with INA CSL, and thereby I got the chance to participate in their virtual conference. It was a wonderful opportunity as in being educator and a simulation champion to learn from experts across the simulation community. So when pandemic started in March, we were thrilled how we will convert our courses to online migration. But as university already invested in 2011 for the faculty development program on blended learning, we were almost ready to convert all of our modules in blended learning form. Here was not only question with our own students, but the practicing nurses and building their capacity in terms to deal with the COVID-19 patients. So we developed different sort of videos. We bring all the virtual patients via Zoom to build their capacity in terms of communication. So that was the first accommodation we have made. One resource which we have introduced in our curriculum during this time of pandemic. So here I'll talk about the virtual reality simulation. Virtual reality simulation is very new for the Pakistan curriculum and structure. Hereby we have connect with different sort of software to introduce the VRS in our curriculum. So we did some kind of feasibility pilot study with our students, because our students are in different region across the Pakistan, and in few region, northern region, there are very limited type of connectivity and proxy could be introduced. So our IT team is really working hard to bring the virtual reality simulation with our university curriculum, so we can at least engage our students in clinical learning and build their capacity and competency to graduate timely, to enhance the healthcare system and to support healthcare workers throughout this pandemic time. As in last question, you want me to respond on the new ways which support the simulation learning. So hereby I will share some sort of limitation in terms of psychomotor skills, which is the biggest challenge right now with the nursing community, and not even the nursing but the healthcare community, that how we can engage our students in psychomotor learning during this time of pandemic when the social distancing is required. So we are trying to incorporate, we are trying to follow some SOPs so we can bring back our students in the physical time where they can learn the psychomotor skills, and we can support the healthcare system, and we can timely graduate our nurses that can support healthcare structure system during this time of pandemic. So thank you so much for giving us chance to participate, to share our view, and our view is very different very different learning from the West. So I hope you will learn out of what challenge we are facing during this time of pandemic. Thank you.